Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Starlink and HughesNet. Starlink and HughesNet are both satellite internet providers, but they differ greatly in speed, reliability, and technology. Starlink is a satellite internet service from SpaceX that brings fast internet to rural and remote areas. It's easy to set up with a small dish that connects to low-orbit satellites. Most users get speeds between 100 and 200 Mbps, which is great for streaming, video calls, and everyday browsing. The connection is much faster and more reliable than other satellite providers. Latency is low, too, so even online gaming works pretty well. There is no contract and you get unlimited data, though speeds may slow a bit during busy times. HughesNet is a satellite internet service made for areas where regular cable or fiber isn't available. It offers steady internet with download speeds up to 50 Mbps, which is enough for browsing, emails, and live streaming. However, the connection can slow down after you reach monthly data limit. Since it uses satellite far from Earth, it also has high latency, making gaming and video calls harder. The setup usually comes with a 2-year contract and equipment rental fees. It's not the fastest option, but it's widely available in rural places. Overall, Starlink is better than HughesNet for faster speeds, lower latency, and unlimited data, making it ideal for modern internet use. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.